what brings me to YouTube? Have you struggled with depression, anxiety, perhaps some toxic relationships, abusive relationships, debt that is just way too overwhelming? In today's video, I'm going to share with you my story. I've struggled with depression, anxiety, the abusive relationships, addictions, toxic relationships. I was $18,000 in debt. I had to rebuild my credit from the ground up. I've survived negative and toxic work environments. All throughout my school years, I was a nobody. I was depressed, suicidal, and by grade 11, my mom couldn't even get me out of bed to go to school. I couldn't keep a job for more than 3 months because I wasn't fast enough. Everyone fired me because I was too slow. Then I even took out a student loan thinking that having a certificate in something, if I did well, would be the magic solution and life would be just wonderful and great. But instead I ended up $10,000 in debt. Every hair salon that I worked at fired me because I was too slow.
I was so depressed.
All I could think about was, what's wrong with me? I just wanted to get a job so I could pay my bills. I was struggling with trying to find my way in life, trying to fit in with society, trying to find my place in this world. I just got more and more depressed. Like, why can everyone else get a normal job and keep them? Even after hair school, every salon fired me because I was too slow, which meant I had to give up my dream of being a hairdresser. As you can imagine, I was in bad shape and desperate, but I wasn't ready to give up on myself, to be employed and have a normal life. Then finally my doctor diagnosed me with depression. Before, he didn't believe me when I tried to talk to him about it. At that point, everything changed. I discovered that I didn't need to worry about everything else right now, that it was okay to make working on myself the first priority, that I needed to work on my physical and mental health. I was 220 pounds and really out of shape. I didn't have to worry about working for a while. I was able to survive on government assistance. And the bill collectors, they couldn't do anything to me. I was able to have the time to build up my confidence and self-esteem, work on myself from the inside out, and change my life around. Now I'm in a different place with my confidence and self-esteem. And that's why I'm so passionate about sharing my story with you, so that if you're stuck in life, that you can have hope that it's possible to change your life, that you are in control of your own destiny. What are you struggling with right now? Comment below in the comments what it is that you are stuck on right now in life, what it is that you need help with. That way I can structure my future content around the things that you need help with. And if there's something that I don't know, I will be honest and transparent, and perhaps I can direct and refer you to something that can help you. In my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing with you my experiences that have helped me change my life, as well as focusing on topics about how to get out of debt, how to rebuild your credit and everything about credit, and ways you can make money or increase your income even if you're starting from nothing. If you have felt a connection with me, if you feel that I could add value to your life, please hit the subscribe button. That way every time I upload, you'll get a notification. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. What it will do, it'll tell YouTube to push this video out to more people so that I can help them.